We're a small-scale surface mining company, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Raubex group, and we fall in our materials division.
Raubex is supplying aggregates to the construction industry and also to the infrastructure industry. So we also got a roads industry where we're supplying our own roads with aggregates. Tozas is a bitumen supply company. They supply bitumen to the road construction guys.
Before Acumatica was a very time-consuming, labor-intensive period in our lives. So we were on Sage X3. We had another 2 systems supporting X3 just so that we can get our accounting done.
Visibility was an issue. Nobody knew really what was going on.
From where I'm sitting at a desk running an ERP system, and I am the only person able to run the system, interpret the system, generate reports, and provide information to my users. That was a total disaster. Why Acumatica? Yes, why Acumatica indeed? Transparency, openness, visibility, usability.
Acumatica has made my job a lot easier with regards to the transparency into the business. The beauty of Acumatica is that we can further improve our business processes without costly customizations like we were used to in our previous system.
As I'm sitting here, I'm a very relieved man because we've implemented Acumatica, the new cloud ERP system, within time and within budget, and we've got the buy-in of all our people and they're getting the information from the system.
Part of the success story is having a very competent business partner. Stride Technology that was involved in the whole process. I can help us quite a lot.
Why Acumatica is a good product for the construction industry is it's got a very strong project accounting functionality, but in addition to that, it also allows the construction teams out on site to, through the mobile app, pass data back into the head office when there's a will from a customer where they invest in training upfront. And there's lots of tools from Acumatica side to empower the users, and the synergy and the working together with the teams with one goal in mind. It is possible to deliver ERP project in a very short space of time.
The implementation of Acumatica was seamless from our finance team and the team at Australia. We were on time, on deadline, on cost, with no hiccups. One day we were on Sage and the next day we were on Acumatica, which is sort of unheard of and a major benefit for our company and the Raubex group as a whole.
The system allows you to very quickly, easily and intuitively get your reports, get your information, and get the information out of that system very quickly.
Acumatica has been a game changer. It's helped us quite a lot, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.
Looking back, it was one of the best and easiest decisions we've made. Only took us 5 months to implement and we're already reaping the rewards.